So a customer lifecycle is the journey that a customer goes through from when they first discover your product to the end of their relationship with your brand. A good example, and everyone has a life cycle, a different life cycle with a different product or a different brand. Good example, Patagonia is a company that, I discovered Patagonia a couple years ago, bought one of their jackets. It was super high quality. I was really, really excited about it. And I went out and I bought more of their product. Soon enough, so I was like, for a short period of time, I was buying some Patagonia stuff every couple of months. But then what happened is my closet was filled up with Patagonia stuff. So I was no longer really, I didn't need anything else. So at that point, my journey with the brand started to decrease, and I was no longer open to buying as many products with them. So it's really the journey from initial discovery to the last transaction or churning with a brand.